Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a forex analysis video, and today I have 10 currency pairs. So let's get started with the analysis. First, as you can see, this is the daily time frame of Australian dollars and New Zealand dollars chart. Okay, and as you can see, this is on a very crucial neckline over here. Right, the pair has formed a double bottom and it is on a neckline. So after the stock breaks out, what you can do is you can take a long entry, and this can be your long target. Okay, this can be a long target. If you are a safe trader, you can just wait for a retest, and then after a bullish sign after the retest, you can just take an entry. And what I would suggest you is that what you can do is you can just take half a quantity on breakout, and then the remaining half quantity after the retest. That would be the best thing that you can do. Okay, and you can consider this as your target, as your long target. Moving on to the next one, we have USD and CAD. I'll just draw a level over here. Okay, as you can see, the pair has already given a breakdown over here. So what you can do is you can just wait for a retest. Once it takes the retest and it falls down, a short trade can be taken. You can consider this as the first target. You can consider this as your final target. Okay, yeah, perfect. So these two can be your short targets. You can wait for a retest. After it goes up for a pullback and it gives a bearish sign and confirms the retest, you can just put a stop loss above the swing, and you can take a short entry, and you can consider these two levels as your short target. Moving on to the next one, we have New Zealand dollars and CAD. Okay, so I can see a level over here. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame. Just in case I miss saying what time frame it is, you can just check here. As you can see, it is 4-hour time frame and it is also on a level. So what you can do is you can just wait for it to break this horizontal level and 200 EMA also, and a long entry can be taken, and you can just consider this level as your long target. Okay, and this can be your final target. This is 4-hour time frame of New Zealand dollars and Canadian dollars. Yeah, perfect. So after it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this two as your target. Moving on to the next one, we have British pounds and Australian dollars, GBP and AUD. Okay, I'm just drawing the levels. Perfect. So as you can see, the stock has the pair has given a breakout from the trend line. It is near 200 EM. It has come back for a retest. Once it breaks 200 EM and sustains above this horizontal level, a long trade can be taken. This is 4-hour time frame, so you can consider this level as your target. Okay, if you can't hold it till here, you can consider this price action level as your first target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Euro and New Zealand dollars. Again, we can see a trend line over here, and it is on 4 hours time frame. It is also near 200 EMA. Okay, we'll just remove the EMA as of now. So okay, I also see a level over here. Right, so if you zoom in, can you see this part? This is a shoulder, this is a head, and this is a shoulder again. So this is an inverted head and shoulder, and you can also see that it has been respecting a trend line over here. So once it gives a breakout and sustains above this horizontal level, a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your first target, and this one as your second target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have New Zealand dollars and CAD. Okay, is there a level over here? Okay, we do have a level over here. Let's remove this. Again, we can see it is respecting a trend line, right? So once the stock gives a breakout above this level, and I can also see a horizontal level over here. So once the stock breaks this trend line and sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this as your first target. And second target, what I'll do is, do we have any recent price action levels over here? You can consider this as your second target, okay, for New Zealand dollars and CAD. Looks good. Moving on to the next one, we have Australian dollars and CAD. Okay, again we can see a level over here, right? So if the stock breaks this horizontal level and sustains below 200 EMA, a short entry can be taken. This can be considered as the first target. This level can be considered as the second target, and you can just consider this as your final target. Okay, so this is it for Australian dollars and CAD 30 minutes time frame. It's near a horizontal level and also near 200 EMA. So once it breaks down, a short entry can be taken. You can consider this as your target. Your target depends on as long as you can hold it. So this is what you can do. Moving on to the next one, we have Euro CAD. Okay, this is the daily time frame. As you can see, it is near 200 EMA, is also near a horizontal support level. So it gave a breakout of this level. I'll just zoom in and show you. Okay, as you can see, it couldn't sustain above this level, but it gave a breakout, and now it has come down again. So once it gives a bullish sign, entry can be taken. As you can see, we also have a trend line over here, right? So if it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this as your target. Okay, this can be your first target, this can be your final target. Totally depends on how long you can hold it. Okay, so this is it for Euro CAD. Moving on to the next one, we have Australian dollars and USD. Again, it has given a breakout of this from this horizontal resistance level and also 200 EM. It has given a huge breakout. So once it comes down for a retest and again shows a bullish sign, a long entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your long target. Okay, moving on to the next one. Again, the levels are already drawn here. We have Euro and Australian dollars. As you can see, it is near a level, okay, a horizontal level, and we also have 200 EMA over here, and it has already given a breakdown from the trend line. Okay, so once it sustains below the 200 EMA, short entry can be taken, and these three levels can be considered as the target. Okay, again, target totally depends on how long you can hold it. This can be your first target, the second and the third, depends on how long you can hold it. Even the first target is good, second target is very good, and third target is excellent. If you can hold it till here, very good. I'll just see how big the third target is. 1400 pips is a lot. Okay, even the first target 400 pips is also enough. Okay, so this is it for the analysis for this week for Forex. I have given 10 pairs, and these are very simple. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.